Hello there, my name's Karen and I run a little company called Karma Curtains, and today I'm going to show you one way, because there's lots of different ways, to dress a bay window. So here's the pole, I'm going to put them on. I'm going to use two colours, white. I'm going to do the middle bit first, the big bit, and on this bit I'm going to use 4 voiles, so that's the white, the pale green. I'm going to do a white on the outside, 2 pale green into the middle, and then another white on the other side. I'm going to spread them across as much as I can and do it down here because it will be easier than when I get them up there. And then I'm going to hang them in the window. And then you just need to make them level. So they're all hung down. Now I'm going to tie them into the middle, and for that I'm going to use a little tie wrap like this. Okay, so you gather them, pleating them up on either side till you meet in the middle. That's it. I'm just gathering them into the middle like this. And then you get your tie wrap and wrap it round. Go all the way around the back and then bring the 2 points to the front. Like that. And then the thing then is to just neaten it out. And I'll just tighten them up. You can either leave them going straight down like this, or you can puddle them onto your window ledge, which also looks quite nice. Like that. And again, you just gather it up with the tie back. On this side, I've just done a single green in the middle and a white on either side. We'll just get the tie wrap on, gather them up, and then cross it over like this. And again, hanging down, or you can puddle them onto the window ledge, which I think looks really pretty. And then we'll just get the other side done. Just going to do the last side. Again, I've just got one white on one side, pale green in the middle, and a white on the other side. And again, let's get the last tie wrap to finish it off. Gather them into the middle. I sell the voiles on my webpage, so if you want to go, find the details below. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.